As we come to you live inside the beautiful BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Itong napakaganda natin. Another beautiful evening for Boss Ray, your second game, and my third game. But this time, it's the Passion Sports Elite inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center versus the home team, the Pampanga Pradera Theme Park 17 Under Division. This Pampanga Pradera coming from a win against the Canada Central Philhoops Basketball. Boss Ray, alam mo yung larong yan kanina, muntik pang matalo ang Pampanga Pradera. But on the other hand is Passion Sports, same story. Kasi lamang nung una, and kung titignan mo, this Passion Sport doesn't have a tall guy on the floor. Nakita mo ang liliit, even their guards. Pero grabe mag 3-pointer yung mga batang yan. And that's 15 under division, same lang yan ng lineup nila here in the 17 under.
Grabe, kita mo isa lang malaki nila si Daha, pero sabi mo nga, nanalo kanina. Di ba? Dahil sa mga shooting na pinakita ng mga bata na to.
But
Siyempre, nandiyan yung anak ni Boss Eric Ariola na manang-mana sa kanya, na shooter din.
Boss Eric Ariola is the team governor of the Northport, Batang Pier,
Correct.
if I am not mistaken.
Alam ko, may meeting sila sa Japan. Kaya hindi niya nasamahan yung anak niya ngayon.
Parehas kaming taga San Pedro ni Boss eh. Taga San Pedro din siya. As 8-0 is our score in favor of the Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. And time out on the floor, Passion Sports Elite, 8-0 in favor of the Pampanga Pradera.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Pampanga Pradera Theme Park team roster. Abenohar, Mercado, Vergara, Gaviola, Allen Danan, Guevara, Kenji Moral, Jackson, Dagaas, Gonzalez, Zapata, Flores, Aldosari, Menjola, Matias, and Curl Figueroa. Boss Ray, this Pampanga Pradera Theme Park na team, meron tong baong sama ng loob because they just lost to NCR because they're carrying the name of Central Luzon on our palarong pambansa.
Grabe exposure nila, no? Hanggang palarong pambansa na pala.
Kasi yung pagkatalo nila, medyo may pagka-physicality na nasaktan na talaga itong mga to. Kaya iba yung, pili ko iba talaga yung kagustuhan nilang manalo dito on our 17 under division.
Kumbaga sana, first pass nila yung nangyari na yun eh. Ang maganda doon, yung experience nila, posture, lahat na eh. Madadala nila yon in the future.
10-0, still in favor of the Pampanga Pradera.
Alam mo, kaya pala nandito si Ronnie Matias, our PBA also. Dahil nandito pala yung anak niya.
Oh! Diba, Boss Ray? Ganon kaliit yung world ng basketball, diba? Yung mga legends, nandito na yung mga anak nila naglalaro. And it is not impossible that a lot of people or a lot of players in here right now is makita natin in the PBA. Not impossible in the NBA, diba?
Totoo.
Wala namang imposible.
Yes.
Basta masipag ka nga, sabi mo nga, doon ka lang naman
sipag
gagaling
lang.
kapag masipag ka eh.
Yun ang kailangan eh. Kasi mas madidevelop ka pagka sinamahan mo ng sipag eh.
17 under ba yun, Boss Ray?
Parang hindi ako nakapagsalita doon.
Parang, ako din akala ko, it was an easy layup.
Ano nangyari doon?
But Curl Figueroa is the brother of one of the National University player right now, which is also a Kapampangan. They are, I think, living in Mabalacat.
Wow. Nagulat ako sa dunk na yun. Batang to.
And for a 17-year-old guy, he's really strong.
Totoo, kasi biro mo, akala ko ililayap lang, kaya nga hindi ako nakapag-react. Sabay, dinang, dalawang kamay pa.
That's what I am talking about now, Boss Ray, that this team, meron silang mentality ngayon siguro na no mercy because they just got lost on the palarong pambansa. But Curl Figueroa is playing with NCR that time because he's playing for Nazareth School of National University. And now he's lined up with the Pampanga Pradera.
Hinawakan niya pa yung kamay niya eh. Parang medyo nasaktan siya sa dunk na yun.
A miss now for Pampanga. Moral. Oh, sorry, miss. Akala ko, boss, it could have been an easy basket for them. But Daha wasn't able. Still no field goal for Passion Sports Elite. Another slam dunk for Figueroa.
Grabe. Puro na lang ako grabe.
I cannot speak properly right now on what this Pampanga Pradera been showcasing, not just the Kapampangans, but the whole world.
Walang buwelo yun, Pen.
Vertical jump lang, Boss Ray.
May replay ba tayo dyan, direct?
As we take a look at that lakas move of the quarter. Brought to you by Cable Link and Holdings Group. Yan yung sinasabi mo walang belo, Boss Ray. It's just a vertical jump. This guy is full of talent, full of potential. I'm not surprised if he still sits for the National University because I really do believe he's graduating from senior high school. But look at the talents this Pampanga Pradera has. No, Boss Ray. 19-0 at 3 minutes and 32 seconds right now.
Kahit sino, mapapatulala sa bata.
Baseline inbound.
Alam mo yung point guard na maganda pumasa, tapos ganun yung papasahan mo, mag-i-enjoy ka pasahan ng pasahan. Eh.
Dream team actually. Kaya talaga, Boss Ray, yung palarong pambansa was their heartbreak. Because iba yung kumpiyansa nila sa sarili nila because they know in themselves that they can do it. But suddenly, at the end of the day, it's actually the agony of defeat and the thrill of victory.
Kaya parang grabe depensa nila ngayon, ha?
Tingnan mo. Diba? They have a big point advantage pero yung defense ang pinapakita nila dito sa Passion Sports Elite. And finally, Da is able to put a field goal for Passion Sports Elite. And look at the connection this Pampanga Pradera has. It could have been an easy basket, pero they are still executing their play so well. Arejola, number 19 of the Passion Sports Elite is I do believe, the son of Governor Eric Arejola of the Northport, Batang Pierre.
Yes, si Cham, talagang shooter din yan. Parang daddy niya.
Boss Eric is playing with us on our Sinag Lakas 40 for San Pedro Mamba, right?
Yes, saka dating player ng Lasal yan. Siyempre talagang, alam mo yun, iba yung bloodline niya eh. Nadala niya sa anak niya.
An easy basket for Passion Sports Elite. 21-4 with 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining. Tingnan mo, grabe yung mga rebound nitong mga to. Almost a miss. Guevara on that one. Daha once again. 4 points now.
Daha.
I think he really needs to take advantage of his height, no? Kasi that's really, if you're really facing this Pampanga Pradera, walang sinasanto yung mga yan, Boss Ray, matangkad, maliit. They are really, really fighting and eager to win a ball game.
Yung kasi kailangan mong maging hobby. Hindi pwedeng, alam mo yun, petics ka maglaro or ano kasi magkukos pa ng injured mo.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, on her report for George Saulding, the assistant coach of Pampanga Pradera. Daphne?
Coach George Spalding of Pampanga Pradera said in his own words, lucky win nga pero kahit ganon nag-focus kami sa depensa kasi medyo lumuwag depensa namin kanina. Hinagdag pa niya na isa sa weakness ng team nila ay kulang sila sa ensayo at pagod ang mga bata, but he reassured us na ang strength naman nila ay palaban ang koponan nila, hence their explosive start. That's all for now. Back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Daphne, on that update. Palaban talaga, Boss Ray.
Totoo, kasi kailangan meron kang ganung instinct eh. Alam mo yun? Wow! Ayan na yung sinasabi mo.
3-pointer. As I mentioned to you earlier, this Passion Sports Elite defeated the Familia DC 17 under. Ang tatangkad ng mga players ng Familia DC. And look at the final score of Passion Sports Elite, 64-57. Dahil yun sa mga 3-pointer ng Passion Sports Elite.
Kasabi mo lang, Pen, ha? Ayan na, nag-start ng Passion, di ba?
Height doesn't matter dito sa mga batang to eh.
Ganun talaga, kailangan bumbu ang puso mo. Siyempre, pag naglaro ka ng basketball.
But hands down to the Passion Sports Elite, ang ganda ng program nila, no, Boss Ray, na even mga bata pa lang, they're really starting up to build this guys. Na ma-develop mo tong mga batang to.
Siyempre, may daha ka na malaki. Tapos yung palibutan mo lang ng mga shooter, laban na.
10 seconds left as Daha on the free throw line. That is his second missed free throw.
Biro mo, parang na-excite yung Passion Elite eh, kasi ganyan kalalaking kalaban mo. Tapos may mga talent pa na, alam mo yun, ganyan kalakas. O gagana ka maglaro eh, kahit na sinasabi na mismatch, di ba?
And it's really an opportunity for them, Boss Ray, facing off a strong and a tough team like this one. As 23-12 at the end of the first. Pampanga Pradera is up by 11. As we take a look at that beautiful alley-oop pass to Curl Figueroa. 13 points, 4 rebounds, 6 out of 9 field goals just at the beginning of this ball game. First quarter pa lang, but look at once again the vertical jump and that slam and jama from Curl Figueroa, the standout from Nazareth School of National University. At the end of the first, 23-12. Stay tuned as we will be right back.
Starting with the little things can lead to bigger outcomes. That's the current mindset of the Passion Sports squad, where they have to take things one possession at a time. Head coach Jose Victor Gonzalvo also added that their grassroots program is loyal to its playing system, where they have to give importance to simply defending or even giving proper screening to their teammates. Their first quarter was indeed shaky, so let's see if they'll be able to regroup and compose themselves in this quarter. Back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Daphne, on that update. Boss Ray, one thing about Elite na nasabi ko sa'yo kanina is ang ganda ng program nila eh. Kasi this is their grassroots. At masimulan mo ang mga batang yan at this age na ganito na yung competition.
Kasi alam mo, Pen, si Coach Rob Labagala, isa yan sa mga coach ng Gilas, Pilipinas. Bukod doon, PBA legend din to kasi naglaro to sa Ginebra, San Miguel. Alam naman natin pag isa ka, naging part ka ng Ginebra, iba talagang, alam mo yun, magiging culture mo eh. Like yung mga bata, pag tinuruan mo, nandun talaga yung parang never say die talaga eh. Na-adapt yan ng mga batang to.
Iba talaga yung competition when it comes to Gilas, di ba? Siyempre, maa-adapt mo din yun for the coaching staff. 23-14 with 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Three-pointer for Gabriel Mercado. No go. Rebound by Daha. Daha using his ability and height. But no go. But there was a whistle. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, Boss Ray, no? That itong si Daha, he really needs to use his height, his talent, para talaga medyo maging fair yung match-up natin dito against Pampanga Pradera.
Kasi si Da, bukod sa malaki, Ano mo yun, kaya niyang ibaba yung bola eh. Tapos may shooting pa yung batan to. Kanina nga, gaya ng sinabi mo, yung mga free throw niya, talagang yun ang bumuhay sa team niya eh. Saka yung mga 3 points ng mga teammate niya.
As 23-14 with 6 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. To everybody watching all over the world and all over the Philippines, we still have 2 games here inside the BREN Convention Center.
3 points na naman.
As another 3-pointer is go for Passion Sports Elite.
Pag ganun lang, 8 points na lang lamang nila.
That's why they really shouldn't be that much confidence dito, Boss Ray, no? Dahil I mentioned earlier, Passion Sports Elite, they may not have the height that this Pampanga Pradera has, but they have the heart and mind to win this game.
Alam mo yung gigil nila, hindi kagaya ng iba na yung gigil lang pero hindi may shoot eh. Sila yung gigil nila, kaya nakukunik nila eh. Kaya yun ang maganda dito sa Passion Elite Basketball.
3-pointer, no go for Daha this time. A big point advantage earlier. Now it's down to 8.
Kaya lang kung may mga ganyan ka na naman kalalaking player, di ba? Biro may Pampanga Pradera, nakita mo naman yung mga sentro nila, saka yung isa pa nilang big, pinagsabay na yung Twin Tower nila.
27-17. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Pampanga Pradera. 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Jackson.
May danan ka na, may Vergara ka pa, na ganyan kalalaki.
And 17 under, Boss Ray, ah.
Yes.
Baka nga hindi pa 17 yung dalawang yan.
Baka nga 16 lang yan.
Nakita mo, natumba.
Alam mo, natuto ako sa Elite Passion Basketball.
Actually,
Wala silang pakialam kahit na mas malaki sa kanila yung...
actually, boss, kasi tingnan mo, they're really fighting, they're really playing their game, they're really following their system.
Totoo. Kung ano yung program ni Coach Rob Labagala na iniwan niya dahil sa gilas siya, yun ang sinusunod ng mga coaches niya.
I really find them cute pa nga, di ba sabi ko sa'yo kanina, boss, tingnan mo ang cute. And look at how they play. They're not cute. They're really monsters for their height. Look at the confidence everyone has for Passion Sports Elite.
Laban yung passion, nakakatawa eh. Nadala nila talaga yung pagiging Barangay Ginebra ng ano nila eh. Coach eh.
Barangay Ginebra is one of the well-known team in the Philippine Basketball Association, the biggest league we have in our country. 3-pointer this time. It's short, but a rebound by Daha. Daha with a shot. And the lead is now cut down to 6.
Kaya nga nang sinabi mo, never say die. Yung Elite Passion Basketball.
3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
Nakakatawa, biro change 4 sa Passion.
What a change of favor. And now, the starters for Pampanga Pradera is back. And look at that. Labagala for Passion Sports Elite. Parang nakita ko sa kanya yung pamangkin ko dun eh. Arejola asks for the basketball. Arejola for 3. No go this time. Rebound by Pradera. But a miscommunication for the side of Pampanga. 27-21, just a 6-point lead from the 19th biggest lead of the ball game for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park.
May 3 minutes pa tayo dito sa second quarter, pero tingnan mo yung palitan ng player ng Elite Basketball. Talagang lahat pinapalaro nila.
3-pointer, no go. Rebound. Almost a miss, but Matias was there. Matias to Mercado. Figueroa once again. I believe that is 18th, 15th point of the ball game.
Hindi pa nakakulikiting si Ariola. Talagang inaanap niya pa yung range niya.
Sideline inbound for Ariola. Off of the switch. Look at the confidence and patience underneath the net for Passion Sports Elite. Kahit may tatlong offensive players from Pampanga this time underneath, di sila nagpadaig.
Sabi ng official natin, ang bola yun sa Passion Sports.
29-21. Three-pointer. No go. Chog Moral. Back to Curl Figueroa. Is it another slam jama? No. It was an easy basket for Curl Figueroa this time.
Nagulat siya, nakababa agad yung Passion Sports di ba? Yun na.
Nakita na neto ni Ariola, the son of Boss Eric Ariola, yung kanyang range. 33-23, back to the 10-point lead advantage.
Tumawag ka rin si Boss Eric manunod daw siya
Actually, sabi din niya sa akin kahagabi, pupunta daw siya after his work.
Siyempre, may nagpapa-shoutout, mga taga-tandang Sora Sports Club, Commissioner Jason Bakiran, Thursday Bowlers Club, Commissioner Richard Oera, Nihel Borge, Russell Mejia, Edwin Malabana.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, pangalawang laro pa lang natin to. Taga-ibang lugar na naman yung nanangat. Kanina pa ako Manila, ngayon Quezon City.
Yes. Thank you po sa panunod.
58 seconds remaining. (35-26) with 48 on the game clock. Matias.
Meron pa nga yung mga taga Bye-Bye Leyte, FCIC Batch 92. Thank you po sa support sa Sinag Liga Asya. Ganun din siyempre sa Barangay Santa Cruz, Bye-Bye Leyte. Kapitan, maraming po salamat.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, sa sobrang dami ng sumusuporta sa Sinag Liga Asya, we can't thank them enough. Diba? Of course, we would like to thank a lot of people, not just the people who flew from all over the world papunta dito, but of course, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the beloved governor of the province of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, for his unending support not only in the Kapampangan basketball, but to the whole Philippine basketball.
Sobra, kaya napaka-blessed natin.
None of this is possible without the help of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, as our lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by CDO Foods. Food that brings you home. Ayan lagi ang sinasabi ko sa iyo, Boss Ray, this Passion Sports Elite. They will surprise you with their shot from the Rainbow Territory.
Relax lang sila no? Tapos unti-unting binababa nila yung lamang sa mga 3-point nila, di ba?
Actually, very, very correct ka dyan, Boss Ray. No? Parang wala silang nararamdamang kaba kahit gaano kalakas yung kalaban nila based on the performance that they have been showing us right now. Ang sipag nila, ang tiyaga nila doon sa rebound as another fast break play.
Totoo, biro mo mas malalaki sa kanila yung player ng Pampanga Pradera. Pero alam mo yun, talagang ini-enjoy nila yung game. 35-28 tayo. Lamang ang Pampanga Pradera sa Passion Sports.
35-28. A 13-point lead for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park as we end our first half of this ball game, as Alan Danan, a 16-year-old guy, playing for Pampanga Pradera. Look at that three-pointer from Passion Sports Elite. They're not as tall as the Kapampangans that they are facing off right now, but they have the heart, the mind, and the talent to win this game. At the end of the first half, 35-28, Pampanga Pradera Theme Park is up by 13. Nas magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17-21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Yan na naman siya. Kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Ako'y Daniel Pineda ng Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase. Ako si Underdog ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Magandang gabi mga kasinag, and you're still tuned in to SLA Junior World Philippines and for our halftime interview. Beside me is Assistant Coach Grant Regala of Passion Sports. Hello po sir, good evening. So nakita po namin especially during the first half na very promising po talaga ang pinapakita ng inyong roster. So can you tell us how was this team formed?
Actually, yung mga players namin, nagmula talaga sila sa different camps namin. And yung team na yan, galing silang 15 under. Yung actually mga ages nila ngayon, 16 years old, 15 years old. Kaya mas nabigyan sila ngayon ng opportunity dito sa 17U. Kaya thank you rin sa tiwala ni Coach Rob dahil sa mga batang nabuo yung team na to.
And sir, I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone that you like po.
Okay, unang-una, shoutout kay Coach Rob. Salamat sa tiwala sa aming mga coaches niya, especially sa mga bata na lumalaban para sa Passion Family. And shoutout din po namin yung mga parents na sumusuporta, mga galing pa iba't ibang different places para lang sumuporta sa mga batang to. And sa mga nanonood sa bahay, mga Passion Family namin, hello sa inyo. Salamat sa suporta.
Thank you so much, sir. Once again, that is all for our Sinag halftime interview. Back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Daphne. And of course, thank you so much to the assistant coach of Passion Sports Elite, no, Boss Ray. A lot of people traveled to support them. Grabe, take a look at our halftime highlights. Look at that slam jama from Curl Figueroa. Not just once, but twice. The other one, walang vuelo. But nevertheless, this three-pointer from Passion Sports Elite has been phenomenal. Their shooting from outside the paint has make this a point advantage of the Pampanga Pradera theme park lesson compared on how they started on the first. But look at that. Talagang lumalaban na sila even underneath the basketball rate.
Kasi yung Passion Sports, siyempre, ulit-ulit natin nakikita na, alam mo yun, kahit na sinasabi nga ng iba na mismatch dahil mas palilit sila kaysa dito sa Pradera, pero grabe.
As we take a look at our halftime statistics, 50% field goal for Pampanga and 30% for Passions. On rebounding, of course, the much taller guys get the more rebounds, 29-15. On assist, lamang pa din ang Pampanga with 5, but 4 din naman for Passion Sports. And for bench points, nung humugot itong Passion Sports Elite, mas lamang sila 12-8. Leading scorers, Curl Figueroa for Pampanga Pradera with 17. Yuan Sigua with 6, Kurt Zapata with 4, Gabriel Mercado with 2. For Passion Sports Elite, Irvin Daha with 11, Abrasado with 6, Decena with 4, and Samantilla with 3. Irvin, magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Of course, Sinag Liga Asya is sponsored by J Project Clothing Shops, the quality of making uniform. And the owner of J Project is right here. Last day with us in our opening, Boss June. And of course, 0107 Management Group Incorporated. Grabe talaga dito ang naging mga sponsors natin dito, no, Boss Ray, for our SLA Junior World Showcase. And not only naman dito sa showcase, their endless support on all of the leagues that we had been through.
Talagang sobrang blessed tayo kay Governor Delta Pineda. Paulit-ulit natin pasasalamatan si Gov. Kasi imagine, itong Brent Sigyaw, napakaganda ng gym niya. Plus yung mga dalawang gym pa na ginagamit natin, di ba? Tapos yung, alam mo yun, sa Royce Hotel, Converge, Photon, di ba? Talagang nandyan para sa Sinag Liga Asya. Maraming po salamat.
Alam mo, Boss Ray, words cannot describe how thankful, grateful, and blessed we are to have Gov Delta to support the Sinag Liga Asya. As 35-30, 5 na lang ang kalamangan ng Pampanga Pradera.
Ikaw na nga nagsabi, di ba? Talagang never say die itong passion sports, basketball.
And yun din naman kanina yung interview ni Daphne with assistant coach of Passion Sports Elite, no? That they are really fighting, they're really playing their system no matter or who matter is in front of them.
Kinamitan na ng height ng Pradera.
Because clearly in this ball game, Boss Ray, kung titignan mo, talagang the taller guys will win. But if your opponent is offensively good as Passion Sports Elite, hindi ka pwedeng magpakampante lang on your height advantage.
Totoo yun. Gaya nga ng kwento mo sa akin kanina, yung tinalo nila, ang lakas ng team at hindi basta-basta. Pero dahil sa mga shooting nila, talagang alam mo na din yung kumpiyansa.
Correct me if I am wrong, Boss Ray. The Washington DC, the Familia DC, is like the team of the Quintana brothers, if I'm not mistaken. Or si kay Boss ano yun?
Eric Quintana.
Alam mo, Boss Rhea, I was just going to share this with you because I'm very, very happy to witness this SLA Junior World Showcase. Kasi I was there. It was our inaugural season for Sinag Liga Asya or Born 2001. Nung na-interview ko, ang representative nila, I think it's, give me names, I forgot his name.
I think Edmond Quintana.
Yes, na nandito siya nun sa Pilipinas at ang laro natin nun ay sa San Andres.
No, Atoy Pangilinan. Called sa...
Umuwi siya dito. It's from Washington also. It's Boss Eric. It's Boss Eric. Eric Quintana. Na parang, nung time na yon, plano pa lang siya, Boss Ray.
Totoo.
And now, it's at our hands.
Kasi si Boss Eric Quintana kasi, alam mo yun, sobrang passion niya itong basketball. Marami siyang connect na talagang pinagkakatiwalaan siya.
As another beautiful move from Daha. As you can see, that rebound from Vergara, our lakas move of the quarter brought to you by Cable Link and Holdings Corporation. That steal from Vergara and one play is complete for Daha. So, going back to sa pinag-uusapan natin, Boss Reyno, sabi, yung tuwa ko lang na parang I was reminiscing what he told me on that interview. And sabi niya nun sa akin, there are teams coming from Dubai, there are teams coming from Canada, from United States, and it's true. I could have been more grateful na parang I was at the moment when it's on planning and I am at the right moment right now that it's happening.
Kahit tayo nung naalala mo yung tour natin sa US, di ba? Hindi rin natin akalain nyo na invite tayo nila Coach Eric Quintana doon. Saka ni Coach Edmond and also Coach Ronnie and Coach Dudes. Nung nandun na tayo, so ako, hindi ko na-expect na hanggang NBA cares or NBA office, dadalhin ako doon.
Oo, yun yung picture mo, no? As we take a look at that beautiful move from Daha, but a rejection.
Talagang ginawakan na lang siya ni Vergara.
39-33 as the starters for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park is now back dahil bumababa na dito ang kalamangan nila. From the 19th biggest lead of the ball game, now it's down to 5. The closest so far for them as another traveling violation and a turnover for Pampanga Pradera.
Nanggigigil siya eh. Parang gusto niya na naman salpakan kaso may depensa si Daha.
Boss Ray, that's what I have been mentioning to you earlier in our first game together. That sometimes as a double dribble violation on Gonzalez.
Napakamot si Gonzalez Trinidad.
I really do believe that Gonzalez right here, Max Gonzalez, is related to Congressman Dong Gonzalez, the congressman of the 1st District of Pampanga. That's why his relatives is watching right over here on our side, on our VIP. Of course, Boss AZ Gonzalez, the team owner of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Welcome po sa Sinag Liga Asya. Thank you po for watching live.
As I mentioned earlier, the family of Max Gonzalez, Boss AZ Gonzalez, the owner of Pampanga Giant Lanterns, wearing the gray one, and a lot of their families, the Gonzalez family, watching. Happy watching to everyone and to all of the people in Pampanga and the whole Philippines and in the whole world. Good evening in the Philippines. I don't know what time is it on the other world, but it's good evening here. Mayap abengi, maayong gabi.
Biro mo, walang makashoot sa both teams, pero si Daha naka-score na. 3 na lang.
Boss Ray, this is the closest Pampanga has, but another slamajama, but this time, it comes from a different guy. It doesn't came from Curl Figueroa. Look at that. This 17 under lineup of the Pampanga Pradera theme park. Wala na akong masabi. I'm out of words for them.
Parang, siyempre, watch the wordplay. Ayan na, oh. Bang!
Our last drive of the quarter brought to you by the City of Food Spear, the food that brings you home. Look at that nice pass. Another slamajama.
Tag-2 dunk na yung player ng Pradera.
For Wadim Madalsari.
Woo! O nandito si Enzo, nagwala na yun.
Paus kasi siya eh.
Grabe yun.
Nag-text ka sa akin, Boss Ray. Iuwi ko daw yung rosary niya. May rosary dito, oh. Sa kanya pala to.
Okay.
Hindi daw siya makapagdasal, wala siyang rosary.
Iba ka. Chip Enzo.
As we take a look at that beautiful pass from Matias to Wamid Adulsari. What a slam dunk. Alam mo, Boss Ray, parang ang ganda neto, no? Yung parang yung slam dunk contest na, no? Curl Figueroa now on the free throw line as they're now up by 6, make it 7 after the free throw line. Coach Camille Isel Santos, the very beautiful women coach of the Pampanga Delta. Daniel Pineda, the son of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, beside her. The very own Kapampangans. Alam mo, kung sobrang bait ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, it's really reciprocate on his staffs, on his coaches, on his son. Wala kang masabi.
Grabe naman yung si Daha. Talagang ayaw pa rin magpesta pa sa Pradera.
Daha this time. Back to Gonzalez. Mags. Balik ang bola dito. 3-pointer. No go this time.
Parang si Ronnie Matias gumalaw yun.
One dribble and putback. Gonzalez with a steal. Moral. Moral with alley-oop. No go this time. Pero saktong-sakto sana yon. It was just the perfect timing. 2 minutes and 40. Ball stays on the offensive side. Jumper is good.
Puro shooter yung taga-passion eh, no? Alam mo yun, relax lang sila. Laro lang tayo, 4 na lang.
It's really pure talent, Boss Ray.
Kapit pen, 4 points na lang.
44-40, the closest they have for Pampanga Pradera is just a 3-point lead.
Hindi na pinagbigyan ni Daha na maka-slab ulit.
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano. Daphne, what do you have for us right now?
Just play your usual game kahit maliliit ang kalaban. Those are the words of Pampanga Pradera's head coach Alan Trinidad during their team huddle. It clearly states that the boys in green should be aggressive and show what they are truly made of. I mean, what can we say? With the way they are performing right now, it screams, watch the world play. Let's see if this will convert to a second win. Back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Daphne, on that update for Coach Alan Trinidad. Just a fact for everybody watching us all over the world. Coach Alan Trinidad is the sports director of Pampanga for over 3 decades. And the transition of the Kapampangan basketball is really different. Like a lot of PBA players that we have been idolizing, and our Gilas Pilipinas player, Japet Aguilar, Calvin Abueva, was really a grassroots player for Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Alan Trinidad.
Naghanap ka ng legend, huwag na tayo lumayo kay Coach Alan Trinidad.
Actually, Boss Ray, I have like a podcast which I first showcased Coach Alan, and I am very surprised that nasa kanya talaga galing yung mga standout player natin in GS. As 50-40, a 10-point lead now for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park with 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining as Carl Figueroa with that pass to Chog Moral. Talaga nag-antay pa ng oras dito si Chog Moral, the 15-year-old guy. Time out on the floor. Pampanga Pradera is still up by 10, 50-40. The team roster for Passion Sports Elite: Ardena, Samantilla, Garan, Canlas, Gabriel Te, Arejola, Madlang Bayan, Ramos, Sim, Decena, Labagala, Apaw, Montemor, Abrasaldo, Ervin Daha, Christian Dayaw. We don't much know a lot of players for Passion Sports Elite. We just know the son of Governor Eric Arejola, and I do believe that it is the son of the founder of the Passion Sports Elite who's playing for Passion Sports Elite this time. But given this talent, given what they are showcasing, not just the Philippines but the world today, alam ko that those names will mark someday.
Sigurado yan kasi yung mga bloodline yan from Jose Eric Arreola, Ronnie Matias, di ba? Yung ibang bata dito like Daha, di ba? Nandiyan pa yung Figueroa. Alam mo yun, grabe yung mga talent ng batang to.
As another easy layup for Curl Figueroa.
May mga big man pa silang katulad de Vergara, di ba? Na in the future, mag-iiba yung mga laro ng mga yan. Dahil ang daming liga na sinasalihan ng Pampanga Delta talaga.
52-42 with 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. As another miss for Pampanga. Just a 10-point lead now. Oh, a steal. Look at that pass. Figueroa against Daha. Figueroa stands still on that one. 40 seconds remaining. 12-point lead. Pampanga is now back on their game.
Nagkakahiya na ata ito sa Passion. Kailangan nilang ibalik yung mga offense nila.
Daha. But there's a whistle on that one. As we take a look back, our Lakas assist of the quarter brought to you by the SM South Mall in Las Piñas.
Ganun na ganun pumasa yung Ronnie Matias ng kabataan.
So parang napapanood mo pala yung tatay niya right now.
Hindi ko na napapanood. Laging teammate ko pa yun nung baby pa ako.
Di ba nandito si Ronnie Matias, if I'm not mistaken, Boss Ray?
Yes, nakita siya ni Mariel kanina eh. Baka lumabas lang daw.
Gab Mercado. Balik ang bola kay Matias. Mercado with the three-pointer. No go. Easy layup. Still no good. And that will do for our third quarter. 54-43. An 11-point lead for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. The closest that Passion Sports Elite has is just on 3 points. But let's take a look at our third quarter highlights. As that slam jammer from Wamid Adulsari of Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. This Daha, this pure talent of this kid. No wonder that someday I will not just be familiar with him, I will see him play on big leagues in the country. Not to mention, our biggest league we had in the Philippines is the PBA at the end of the third. Pampanga Pradera still up by 11, 54-43. Magbabalik po ang Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Sunsport is the official basketball of Sinag Liga Asya. As we go back inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center for our fourth and final quarter of this ball game. Three-pointer, no go for Pampanga this time, but there's a putback.
Nandito din yung mga bosses ng Sun Sports, mga sponsor natin. Alam ko nandito sila kanina eh.
Alam mo, boss, sa dami ng mga VIP na dumayo dito sa atin just to watch the world play, hindi ko na sila matandaan isa-isa, but I'm very much familiar with their faces. Nahihirapan lang ako bisuduin yung pangalan nila, but hands down to them, no, na parang they really support not only the league, but all of these kids playing in front of us.
Like si Dave Marcelo, nandito nung opening, saka si Boss Achitkaw, kasama yung mga friends niya. Diba? Alam naman natin si Boss Achitkaw, 75 years old, pero kung nakaka-score pa ng 40 points up, ganun. Lalo-lalo yung mga laro namin sa Asia pag nag-iikot kami. Talagang pag dumating na si Boss Achitkaw, kilalang-kilala siya ng mga kalaban namin doon, like Malaysia, Macau, Hong Kong, ang dami na pinupuntahan eh. Taiwan, mga ganyan. Talagang, alam mo yung pag nakita na siya, talagang ito na. Nagawa na naman ng 40 at pataas to.
Grabe.
Yun, naka-rebound pa. Tama yun.
Three-pointer for Daha. Look at that risky pass. Daha against three. And he puts it up and in for Passion Sports Elite. Matias running. Parang ganun na ganun ba, Boss Ray, yung tatay niya?
Ganun na ganun, pero matangkad. Sobrang laki ni Ronnie Matias nung time na I think ganyang edad niya. Talagang may fancy na mga layup, mga pasa. Tapos, alam mo yun, sobrang tapang maglaro. Wala siyang pakialam kahit banatan siya. Talagang sa basketball, pagdating sa loob ng game, ganun din. Pagka naunahan mo siya, babalikan ka lang niya. Basta basketball lang, hindi yung tipong, alam mo yun, parang kagaya ng iba na naghanap ng away.
At may steal pa dito. Itong si Matias.
Pinakikitaan nata yung tatay.
His father named Ronnie Matias and his son is named Roji Matias.
Siyempre, alam mo naman si Ronnie, the great Matias. Ano yun eh, binansagang batas ni Matias.
Oh, I now remember him.
Yes.
Because way back, my dad, my titos, they were talking about that name. Kaya parang sabi ko, it's very much familiar with me.
Yes. Basta sinabing batas ni Matias, siya yun.
Doon pala yun. Now I know. Matias, look at that alley-oop pass to Carl Figueroa.
Taas ng IQ ng Matias, ha?
May sabi mo nga. Siyempre, it's in the blood, it's in the veins of a Matias. As time around the floor, Pampanga still up 63-48.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
As we go back inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, as our Chief Operating Officer, Leo Isaac, together with the head of our video gear production. Grabe naman talaga itong si Boss Arnel. As our fans right here is watching. As we take a look back on that beautiful still from Roji Matias, son of Ronnie Matias. Our lakas steal of the quarter brought to you by Winston's Cafe, the official cafe partner of Sinag Liga Asya. Alam mo, Boss Ray, speaking of the Winston's Cafe, nakakatakam yung mga cakes na dun sa advertisement nila.
Mag-request na tayo magpadala dito para sa'yo.
Parang natatakam ako pati dun sa CDO.
Ritzy Coffee Shop. Nagpaparinig na po si Miss Pen.
Actually, kagabi pa eh.
Magpadala na daw po kayo. Usap tayo ng usap about kay Ronnie Batas ni Matias. Nandun lang para sa likod natin. Sa right side. Ayun. Naka-gray kasama yung mga anak ng babae.
Oh, actually, Boss Ray, nasa likod natin kanina. Hindi mo na pala nakita.
Ayan.
The father of Ronnie Matias, together with a player from Batangkan, Caloocan Coolers, Jun Bonsubre, and I believe his two daughters is still sitting beside him.
Yan na, nagkita na kami. Grabe yan. Napaka-fighter niyan, ni Ronnie Matias.
As Girl Figueroa is now on the free throw line. 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter.
Nakakatuwa. No? Alam mo yun, yung mga anak-anak na ng mga dating player or hanggang ngayon naman naglalaro pa si Ronnie. Pero makita mo yung mga bloodline na lumalabas, di ba? Ganyan kagagaling, ganyan katitibay din. Yan na, si Daha naman. Short.
As a look at that. Oh! That was a sorry miss for Girl Figueroa. 64-48. That could have been much more bigger on what he have shown us earlier.
Kala ko, another highlights na naman yun.
But Gab Mercado with an easy layup.
Grabe yung Figueroa tumalon, no?
Just too much power on that slam-a-jama of Girl Figueroa.
Nanggigil eh. Kanina niya pa gusto gawin yun eh.
Jumper. No go this time for Passion Sports Elite. Five minutes and 55 seconds remaining.
Ganun katibay yung anak ni Boss Eric Ariola. Oh.
Matibay. Matibay talaga, Boss Ray, as another basket for them this time.
Mukhang mahihirapan ka na naman dito.
Ikaw na ako kasi pumili, Boss Ray.
Siyempre, it's your turn to shine, Pen.
Oh.
Wow.
Jump
Sigurado.
ball on the basketball. Ball
Mati.
stays on the Passion Sports Elite.
Woo! Diba? Cool na cool yung batang yun.
Figueroa. Back to Mercado. Back to Matias. Matias. Three-pointer. No go. Rebound by the guys in blue.
Ang maganda sa Matias, binibigyan niya ng chance lahat ng teammate niya na maka-score.
To 53, 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Padating na yung Figueroa, hindi napansin ni Matias eh.
As a full substitution for Pampanga Pradera theme park. This is their substitution earlier. So, Boss Ray, we're still on 4 minutes and 31 seconds. And kanina nung lumamang itong Passion Sports Elite, this was the same lineup. So let's see if there was still a change of events.
Hindi pa tapos ang Passion Sports.
It's still not over. Chog Moral. But look at that. A different breed of Pampanga Pradera theme park on the second half of this ball game.
Ang gusto naman nila, alam mo yun, pasahan, tapos quick 2 lang.
70-55, one-hand floater for Daha. No go, Chog Moral this time. Back to Mags Gonzalez. to 55, 3 minutes and 42 seconds. An easy basket for Passion Sports Elite.
Talagang laro lang sila kahit na, alam mo yun, yung habulin nila malaki pa. Talagang pinapakita ng Passion Sports kung ano yung mga tinuturo sa kanila ng mga coaches nila.
Moral, miss, it could have been an alley-oop. Pero miss.
Natabangan ng teammate niya. Napangiwi
Look at
talaga.
those cuties. Alam mo, Boss Ray, ang saya pala sa FIDA. It's my first time to cover at an age like this na medyo bata-bata pa itong mga players natin. And I found them really cute, really passionate.
Woo!
As I have been mentioning. Alam mo, tamang-tama sa kanila yung Passion Sports Elite eh. Because what they have been doing is pure passion na yung kagustuhan nila na matuto sa larong basketball.
Talagang yun ang nagusto ko sa Passion Sports na to. Kasi nadala nila yung mga tinuturo sa kanila ng coaches nila na, sige, laban lang kayo, laro lang kayo. Kasi exposure to eh. Hindi naman to yung sinabi na kailangan natin mag-champion yan o kailangan natin manalo every game. Ang kanila, pakita nyo lang yung talent nyo. Ma-expose kayo dito sa ligang to or this 5 days tournament para sa World Showcase. Enough na yun para sa mga parents, sa mga coaches ng Passion Sports na lalabas nila yung talent ng mga inaalagaan nila.
Sabi nga nila, no, this is the grassroots of Passion Sports Elite na really from very, very young age, you develop a player like this. It's very something. You have something in you. As now, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Daphne Lozano, for her update on the huddle of Passion Sports Elite. Daphne?
As we are now in the last quarter, I had the chance to join the huddle of Passion Sports and Coach Jose Victor Gonzalvo said, believe, kailangan nyong magtiwala sa sarili nyo kahit malalaki ang kalaban. You just have to believe and execute well. He also added that as long as they gave their all, that is truly enough. Thus, their team's name, Passion Sports. Back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Daphne. As I mentioned earlier, Boss Ray, yung name ng Passion Sports Elite really belongs to them. Their system, their hustle, their mind, it's really brilliant.
Totoo yun, Pen, kasi yung pinapakita ng Passion Sports, bihira sa mga katulad din ng player na talagang nandun yung fear na, uy, ang lalaki na ito. Pero sila hindi, baliktad. Tinapon nila yung fear na yun sa mga bahay nila. Pagdating dito sa arena, pinakita nila na, hindi, basketball to eh. Pwede namin pakita sa mga to kung anong meron kami. Kaya nakakatuwa yung Passion Sports team. Kasi alam naman natin, Pradera, hindi basta-basta team. Diba? Kung makikita mo, grabe yung lineup ng mga batang to. Talagang palarong pambansa. Nandito ngayon sa World Showcase. Gaya nga na sinabi natin na watch the world play para makita sila. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas sa buong mundo.
But no, sabi mo nga, Boss Ray, kahit gaano kalakas yung lineup ng Pradera, ng Pampanga Pradera Theme Park, they still able na makadikit, but their closest with Pampanga is 3 points.
Kanina, I think, ilan yung pinaka 3 points, sabi mo nga, di ba? Pampanga Pradera yan, ha? Tapos yung tinalo pa nila kanina. I think from Washington DC, ang lakas nun.
It could really help them to build their confidence with not just for the players, but for the whole coaching staff, for the founder of Passion Sports Elite na pwede nila kasing panghawakan yung Boss Ray na hindi sayang ang hirap at pagod nila sa mga batang.
Kasi madadala nila yan sa ibang liga pang sasalihan nila eh. Alam naman natin na napakaraming liga dito sa Pilipinas na pinagpapasalamat natin para ma-showcase yung mga talent ng batang to.
As time out on the floor with 50 seconds remaining on the fourth, Pampanga Pradera still up 72, 76 to 62.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
As we go back for the remaining 50 seconds of the fourth quarter, 77 now to 62, with Mags Gonzalez on the free throw line. if I am not mistaken, this is, and we can see on our screens the whole family Gonzalez with Boss AG Gonzalez, the team owner of Pampanga Giant Lanterns, watching and supporting not just his relative. Hindi ko kasi sure kung kapatid or pamangkin ba to ni Boss AG, but for sure, he is the grandson of Congressman. It's the brother of Boss AG Gonzalez.
Grabe shooting yun.
Oh! As a Mags. Nagulat ako.
Okay lang daw siya.
Okay lang daw siya. Even his brother was shocked on that one.
Talagang pinakita niya na basketball itong pinasok ko. So, this time, hindi ako anak ng mga boss, di ba? Yeah, galing ng bata.
As another easy layup. "14 seconds remaining. 83-62. Oh, what a back pass. A risky pass, but 6 seconds remaining. Still credit for Passion Sports Elite for fighting till the very end. Their passion, their mind, their hustling ability ay hindi matatawaran, Boss Ray.
Gusto niya daw mag-free throw si Moral. Sabi nung player na nag-foul sa kanya.
Chog Moral, the 15-year-old guy, he played for Pampanga Pradera in our 19 under for SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines.
Grabe. Kung titignan mo yung Pradera, pwedeng lumabot to sa 19 under, saka sa 23 under.
Kaya nga. Diba parang with those players who has been dunking at the age of 16, 15, that's really something new for Philippine basketball. Pero sabi nga nila, Boss Ray, if you started them young, it's better, no? Siguro itong mga batang to, 3 pa lang nagbabasketball na eh. But nevertheless, 83-62 is our final score. Pampanga Pradera Theme Park dominantly won against the Passion Sports Elite. And Boss Ray, I couldn't have said more because I already said a lot of great things about these two teams that faced off right now. But one thing about what you have been playing, ano mo masasabi mo dito for those two teams?
Kanina, ulitin ko, natulala ako dun sa Figueroa. Grabe yung batang yun, nakala ko layup lang. Tapos yung Pradera, grabe yung lineup. Pero saludo ako sa Passion Sports, especially sa iyo, Coach Rob Labagala, na yung tinuro mo sa mga batang to, hindi basta-basta.
Of course, now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter because beside her is Carl Figueroa, our Sinag best player of the game. Daphne, go ahead.
Magandang gabi mga kasinag. I am now beside our Sinag best player of the game from Pampanga Pradera, Carl Figueroa with 27 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 steals, an all-around performance from him. So congratulations for securing your second win for today. Sabi nga nila, Coach, kanina, pagod kayo, pero palaban kayo. So ano yung naging bilin sa inyo ni Coach na pinanindigan ng team hanggang dulo?
Maglaro lang kami as a team. Yun dun kami mananalo kung paano kami maglaro ng team. Yun lang.
Ayun. Now I'm giving you the opportunity to greet and thank anyone that you like. Kung meron ka mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Binabati ko nga po pala yung mga magulang ko na nanonood sila doon. Sila Tito Barry, sila TJ, sila Tita Mami, Mama. Sa lolo ko din, nanonood. Yun lang po.
Once again, that is Carl Figueroa with 27 points, 8 rebounds, an all-around performance from him. Back to you, Pen and Boss Ray.
Thank you so much, Daphne. And of course, congratulations to Carl Figueroa, our best player of the game with 27 big points and 8 rebounds and 2 Slama Jama Dang. But of course, thank you so much, Boss Ray, for joining me here today for our basketball, our game at hand of Passion Sports Elite in the Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. And coming up next is the Pampanga Pradera versus the NYBL Boss League, the 23 under division. In behalf of Boss Ray Alaw, Daphne Lozano, and on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, Direct DJ Aguilion, Direct Trey Santiago, and to all of the men and women na nagtrabaho mula dito sa BREN Convention Center, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina. And always remember that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.